Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can create the website bot in the BotPenguin platform. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account. Once you are logged in, you can simply click on the left hand side where it says bots. On the top left corner, you will get an option of create bot. Simply click on it and choose websites mobile app from here. Now, next option you will get to choose the purpose for which purpose you are going to create the bot. You can choose any option from here. Let's say I choose this appointment booking option. So now over here my bot is completed. As I have chosen the appointment booking bot here, so simply I will get the flow, automatically I will get the flow for appointment. In case if you want to change anything from here, you get the option of changing that. You can even change the message from here, and you can also go to the classic builder from here and check all the components. In case if you want to add any component in the flow, you can surely add that also. And in case if you want to change existing messages of this flow or this component, you can surely change it from here. And this is how you can create the website bot. And the next step is to install your chatbot into your website. So for that, you can simply go to this install your chatbot section and you can choose the option for which purpose you would like to install it. You can copy the script code from here and paste it on your website, and your chatbot will be installed from there. So this is how you can create the chatbot and how you can install it over your website. So that's all about this video. In case if you have any queries for the same, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin. Have a good day. Bye.